So always try to be kind. With this gorgeous line, respected Chairman Sir, hardworking Principal Ma'am, all the dedicated staff of the Giant family, and dear future of tomorrow. First of all, very warm, energetic, and charm morning to all of you. This is me, Sneha, standard of class 8, standing in front of you as the commander of the assembly to command here. Before starting my assembly, I just want to say a few lines. These are: every morning is a new page to your story. Make it a great one today. Remember, you deserve to design your life as you want to live. With this lines, let's begin. Class studies, attention. Studies, attention. The prayer is the easiest way to connect with God, to talk with God, and to express our emotion. But today, we will express our emotion with Lord Hanuman as. So now I would like to call my classmates here to sing Hanuman Chalisa as it's Tuesday today. that they can change the world. So now I would like to call our school rising champ Diksha for today's poem.
Respected principal, all the hard teachers and my dear friends. First of all, very charming good morning. My name is Diksha from class first. Today my Hindi poem is रंग बिरंगे गुब्बारे मन लगता है रेणु सा लाल हरे और नीले पीले और चमकीले मम्मी मुझे गुब्बारे दिला दो पूरे घर में इन्हें से माई इंग्लिश पोएम इज इंची विंची स्पाइडर climb up the water spout down come the rain and poor incy wincy spider climb up the water again thank you have a nice day.
Once you replace negative thought with positive ones, you will start having positive results. So now I would like to call my classmate Varsha Bish for today's thought.
A mistake is an opportunity to learn, not a result to give up. With this beautiful line, good morning to Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, and all the hardworking teachers of Uttarayan Academy and my dear friends. First of all, good morning to all. This is me, Varsha. On behalf of Class 8, today I am standing here to say the thought, and my thought is like that. When people start copying you, then understand that you are successful in your life. I repeat my thought once again. When people start copying you, then you understand that you are successful in your life. I translate my thought in Hindi. जब लोग आपकी नकल करते हैं तो आप समझ लो आप अपनी ज़िंदगी में सफल हो चुके हैं. Thank you, have a nice day.
Now it's time to update ourselves with the current and latest happenings. So now I would like to call our senior for news.
Going to Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal, all the teaching and non-teaching staff of 10 Academy, and my dear friends. First of all, good morning to all of you. Myself, my Singh from class 11, 12, here to represent my news headline, and my first news is from international. The Japan wants to have a huge earthquake after the powerful tremor of 82 centimeter tsunami. And my next news from international is US Security Agency is going to use the entropy meiosis in despite to use the block list report. And my next news from national is the heat wave alert is issued in the Delhi NCR due to the temperature expected to hit the 39 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. And the next news from national is the India is going to host the foreign minister high level meeting for the BRICS in May. And the next news from Uttarakhand is the portal of Kedarnath Dham are scheduled to be open from 22 April and followed by the Badrinath on 23 April. And my next news is from sports. Yesterday was the 30th match of Tata IPL 2026 between MI and JT. Mumbai Indians beat the Gujarat Titans with 99 runs. And my last news is from temperature. Today the maximum temperature of Bageshwar is 28 degrees Celsius and minimum is 19 degrees Celsius. Thank you, have a nice day.
Words are the vehicles by which everything is delivered. Everything. From every single line to a great article. So now I would like to call our senior for today's article.
Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, teaching and non-teaching staff members of Uttarayan Academy, and my dear friends. First of all, very warm and charming good morning to all of you. This is me, Prachi Mehta, on behalf of Class 12 Standard, standing here to say an article on the topic of role of IT in major areas. As Stephen Jobs once said, technology is nothing. What's important is your faith in people. IT and the system is the best example of this belief. For example, UPI transition in village area to electric-centric warfare in defense, IT system driving Indian growth and security. As the major areas, first is national security. It plays a crucial role in modern warfare, intelligence, cybersecurity, and the advanced communication networks which help to protect us from both external and the internal threats. Second one is governance. It improves transparency, and efficient administrations. Initiatives like Digital India, online service, and e-governance platform, which reduced corporations and made the governance service accessible for common citizens. At last, I want to say that just like technology giving us its best, so it's our responsibility to use it wisely and carefully. Thank you. Have a good day.
Practice makes the man perfect. But in real, no one is perfect. Everybody needs something more to become perfect. So to check that you have practiced or not, I would like to call my classmate Ria to ask you some GK question on the topic of gland and hormones.
Honorable Chairman, Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, and all the dedicated staff of Trent Academy and my dear friends. It's their 8th standard standing in front of you to ask you some GK question on the topic of gland and hormone. My first question is, which gland is known as master gland of human body? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is pituitary gland. My next question is, which hormone is responsible for fight and flight? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is adrenal gland. My next question is, which hormone is low blood glucose level? No, your answer is wrong. The correct answer. Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is insulin. My next question is, which gland is both endocrine and exocrine? Yes, your answer is correct, pancreas. My next question is, where is pituitary gland located? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is brain. And my next question is, what is full form of PTH? I repeat my question once again. What is the full form of PTH? The correct answer is parathyroid hormone. My next question is, who is the father of gland? Thomas Edison. Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is Thomas Edison. My next question is, which gland is located in the between of the lungs?
Thyroid.
No, your answer is wrong. The correct answer is thymus gland. My next question is, which gland is located in the back of the kidney? I repeat my question once again. Which gland is located in the back side of the kidney? Repeat answer. No, your answer is wrong. The correct answer is adrenal gland. My next question is, which gland is known as king of the gland? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is pituitary gland. And my next question is, which gland is smallest gland in human body?
Smallest gland in human body.
No, your answer is wrong. No, your answer is wrong. The correct answer is pineal gland. Thank you.
Class. So to make our country India alive and to respect our nation, I would like to call my junior Ria for today's play.
Chairman, sir, respected principal, ma'am, all the hard-working teacher. First, Charlie, good morning to all of you. My name is Ria Kirtal from class 3rd. Today, my play. Classes, get ready for play. India is my country. And all Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country. And I am proud of each teacher. Very headed. I shall always respect to be a loyal and worthy citizen of office. I shall show respect to my parents, teachers, and elders. I shall show kindness to animals, to my country, and my people. I pray my devotion in their happiness and prosperity. Alone I my happiness Jai Mega, dear continent, peace and prosperity. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata ki, Bharat Mata ki, Bharat Mata ki. Thank you, Elijah.
Ancient ceremonies. Hygiene is as important as studies, so I request you all to show your hankies and names.
I'm requesting to senior teachers, they will take one row and check that row only.